Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, remote trunk release, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start,